Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a voice in Character AI. First of all you have to do is open the Character AI website, and also you have to log in with your account. That's the very important step. Once you're logged in into your Character AI account, you have to click on this create button on the top left corner, and then you have to select the option called character. Now on this page you have to create a new character. You can give any character name. For example, I will set it as my character, and you can also give any tagline to your character and any short descriptions. For the tutorial purpose, I will show you my character description. You can also add a greeting, and after that you have to click on this drop down menu of this voice section. Click on it, and then you have to select your voices, or either you can select discover voices. I'm gonna head over to the discover voices section. A lot of voices that I can add to my character. I can select any voice of my character that I want, or I can also search my character voice, and after I'm done I will click on create character. And that's how to add a voice in Character AI. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.